When it comes to selling your mobile home flips, interest rates are high right now and they keep going up. So it makes it harder if someone's trying to get a loan to buy your mobile home. This is why we utilize seller financing. And seller financing can be a shit show unless you implement the correct steps, which is vetting your buyer. I always say I'd rather hold a home for a couple extra months than get a bad buyer in, because a bad buyer can make your life a living hell. You want to make sure you're vetting them. Their credit score, their income, their job history, calling their bosses, their previous landlord. Make sure you are vetting them. Now, if you are in a reputable mobile home park, they're going to do this for you as well. Their criminal history, any bankruptcies. Make sure the buyer that you are bringing into your home is ideal if they're going to be making you payments every single month on seller financing. Again, it can be a shit show if you don't have the correct buyer. But if you make sure you're vetting your buyers correctly, then it will be a very fun business model, great business model. I have not had a single buyer not make payments to me because I make sure that we vet them prior to. And if you want to learn more about how you can get into the mobile home flipping business, sell on seller financing to collect that passive income every single month, comment mobile home down below. Actually, send me a message, mobile home, and I'll send you over more details.